Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best portable washer and dryer that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this videos. Starting at number 5, we have WonderWash Portable Washing Machine. Easy access to a sink can be tough to come by when you're in the middle of the woods. Even if there's a restroom nearby, other campers won't appreciate you hogging the water supply to do your laundry. The WonderWash lets you get a quick and easy washing done without the need for a constant hookup. Simply add up to 5 pounds of clothes, along with your soap and water, and then crank the handle to wash your gear. As you churn, excess water will be filtered out the side. While this device requires more manpower than other portable washers, it's a nice machine to have when your laundry options are limited. Moving on at number 4, we have Super Deal Portable Washing Machine. If you're not looking to spend a fortune on your portable washer, consider the Super Deal Mini. This petite washer, which is just $95, has a sizable wash capacity and strong spin. While it won't be able to handle an entire week's worth of laundry in one go, it can still help you get plenty of clothes clean, and is a great choice for new parents who need to wash baby clothes quickly and efficiently. The machine also works fast. The washer can run for up to 15 minutes, while the spin cycle can run for 5 minutes per load. Just a heads up, though, you'll need to manually transfer the clothes from the washing area to the spinning zone. That said, you can still tackle a new load with the washing cycle as the spinner is handling other clothes, which ultimately means that this is a time-saving machine. At number 3, we have Comfy Portable Washing Machine. This portable washer is small enough for even the tightest spaces, otherwise known as dorm rooms. With wheels and handles on both sides, it also offers easy maneuvering as needed. The stainless steel inner tub can stand up to plenty of use, and the soft close lid won't bang shut and disturb a roommate. Users can choose from 5 wash programs: heavy, soft, normal, rapid and soak, and 3 water levels to do their laundry the way they prefer. While this particular machine has a 0.9 cubic feet capacity, Comfy also offers portable washers with capacities of up to 2.4 cubic feet for those who tend to generate a lot of laundry. At number 2, we have Scrub-A-Wash Bag Portable Laundry System. While it isn't technically a portable washing machine, the Scrub-A-Wash Bag is a convenient quick fix for a few items of dirty laundry when a traditional washing machine isn't available, like on a camping trip. Simply place clothing inside, add water and detergent, seal up the bag and scrub away. Following the bag's instructions, they scrubbed for 3 minutes and found that it did a good job removing your stains, and the odors were gone, too. The brand says you can wash up to 6 small items at once in the Scrub-A, but reviewers online say it's easier to wash just half that amount. Plus you'll get a more effective clean if you don't overfill the bag. It weighs less than a pound, so won't add much weight to your camping gear, and it folds down for compact storage and toting. And finally at number 1, Black Plus Decker Small Portable Washing Machine. The Black Plus Decker BPW M09W Portable Washing Machine is a great buy if you're on a budget. While you'll give up some capacity, the drum is 0.9 cubic feet. It has 5 wash cycles, a powerful spin setting that revs up to 983 RPM, and includes features not always found on other portable washers, like a delayed start function in case you need to load up your laundry and run the cycle later, or a child lock to keep little ones from interrupting the cycle. It's one of the most affordable electric portable washing machines you can buy. Aside from being budget-friendly, the Black Plus Decker BPW M09W is highly maneuverable. It weighs less than 50 pounds and has 2 rear roller wheels and a handle on each side of the unit to make it easy to position it for use or storage.